The CAT 3600 C280 diesel engine is designed to provide reliable, high-power output with excellent fuel efficiency. The incorrect installation of a piston ring can lead to excessive oil consumption, high crankcase pressure, a damaged cylinder liner, and even engine failure. This video will demonstrate the proper use of the 4C5719 piston ring compressor in the 3600 C280 diesel engine. There is a 3- and 4-ring piston design. Always start with the oil ring and work up when installing the rings on the piston. The compression ring direction will be marked on each ring according to its location. In other words, up 1, up 2, up 3. Always inspect each ring prior to installation for any damage that may affect the ring's performance. Start by installing the oil ring in the bottom groove. When doing this, make sure the white mark on the spring is visible through the oil ring gap. If you have the 4-ring piston design, put the intermediate ring in the 3rd ring groove. Install the ring so that up 3 is toward the top of the piston. Now put the 2nd intermediate ring in the 2nd ring groove. Again, install the ring so that up 2 is toward the top of the piston. Install the top compression ring in the top ring groove. Make sure you install the ring so that up 1 is seen toward the top of the piston. Now take a close look at the rings. The ring gaps must be positioned 120 degrees apart. The ring gaps should not be aligned after installation. If the ring installation is not done properly, excessive oil consumption is possible. Once the ring gaps are correctly set, apply clean oil to all of the rings. The next step is vital. Push the gap in the oil ring into the groove. Then slide the piston ring compressor fully onto the piston and note the location of the gap in the oil ring. Use one hand to press and hold the piston ring compressor over the gap in the oil ring. Now use the other hand to close the compressor. Clamp the tool. It should close easily without force. If it doesn't, adjust the closing force by turning the adjustment handle. Take a look at the stop gap when the piston ring compressor is closed. The gap at the bottom of the tool should be slightly smaller than the gap at the top of the tool. If it's properly installed, the piston should lower into the cylinder liner on its own weight. Don't force it. Remember, a broken ring could damage the liner and eventually lead to a catastrophic engine failure. At this point, the stop position for the closed tool might need adjustment with a set screw and lock nut. If everything is correctly set, the piston assembly is now ready to be installed in the 3600 C280 diesel engine.